Welcome back to another exciting year with VACC MotorTech. After a phenomenal success of our last year's events, we are revving up for another round of our wildly popular Let's Talk Tech sessions, brought to you by VACC's Technical Department.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the Our Auto Series 3 Premium Diagnostic Tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
These events are set to ignite Metro and Regional Victoria once again, bringing together industry pros to share game-changing insights and solutions into those pesky problems that keep you up at night. Get ready for engaging, moderated discussions featuring our expert panel and you, the audience. We want to hear your suggestions on common faults, diagnostic tips and tricks that can benefit everyone in the industry. Stay ahead of the curve with this essential knowledge for you, your team and your workshop. These events are free for all members of the automotive industry, so come and enjoy light refreshments, network with fellow professionals, and stand a chance to win exciting door prizes. For more details on these upcoming events, click the link in the description below. We can't wait to hear your valuable insights. See you at an event near you soon.